What if you could build professional AI tools without coding? Amorph PluginMaker.AI just changed the game for creators and freelancers. Here's exactly how it works. Amorph PluginMaker.AI is a no-code platform that lets you create, customize, and deploy AI-powered plugins instantly. Whether you're building chatbots, content tools, or automation plugins, this platform eliminates technical barriers. Perfect for creators wanting to monetize AI without learning code. It integrates with major platforms and handles deployment automatically. Getting started takes minutes. Log in, select your AI model, customize responses, and publish. Key features include pre-built templates, API integration, custom training, and analytics dashboard. You can white label plugins, set pricing, and track user engagement. The interface is intuitive. Drag-and-drop simplicity meets powerful customization options for advanced users. Freelancers use it to offer AI services to clients without development costs. Small business owners build customer support bots. Content creators monetize AI writing tools. Agency owners white label solutions. The income potential ranges from passive subscriptions to premium plugin licensing. Users report 3 to 6x ROI within their first month of deployment. Amorph offers free tier, professional, and enterprise plans. Free includes basic templates. Paid tiers unlock unlimited plugins, advanced AI models, and priority support. At $29.99 a month, it's affordable for solo creators. Best for freelancers, agencies, and small business owners seeking rapid AI. Hit subscribe for more AI tool reviews and drop a comment telling us what plugin you'd create first.